Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best cachaça is probably one of the most vibrant and versatile spirits you can discover, offering a unique taste of Brazil's rich cultural heritage and passionate craftsmanship. This sugarcane-based spirit, often overshadowed by its rum cousin, boasts an incredible spectrum of flavors, from fresh grassy notes to complex woody undertones, making it an essential ingredient for classic cocktails like the Caipirinha or a delightful sipping experience on its own. Number 5. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream. Experience the cult favorite cream that's captured hearts worldwide. This luxurious body cream is more than just a moisturizer, it's a daily ritual for radiant skin. Infused with powerful ingredients, it works to visibly firm and tighten your skin. You'll notice a smoother, more toned appearance with consistent use. Indulge your senses with its iconic Cachaça 62 fragrance. This captivating scent, with notes of pistachio and salted caramel, will transport you straight to the beaches of Brazil. Its rich, fast-absorbing formula melts effortlessly into your skin. Enjoy a non-greasy finish that leaves you feeling soft and supple all day long. Transform your daily routine into an exotic escape. It helps you feel confident and beautiful, from head to toe. What we like. This cream is renowned for its visibly firming effects. Its iconic scent is instantly recognizable and loved by many. If you are looking for a luxurious body treatment that leaves your skin feeling smooth and looking firmer, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no specific points about cachaça from Brazil could be extracted. Number 4. SMIRLY Large Bamboo Charcuterie Board Set. Impress your guests with this large, versatile cheeseboard tray set. It simplifies entertaining and enhances any gathering with a stylish, appetizing display. Measuring generously, it's ideal for both intimate evenings and large parties. This charcuterie tray includes bowls, cheese knives, and all essentials, ensuring memorable and enjoyable events with friends and family. It makes a perfect gift for couples, new homeowners, or apartment dwellers. Coming in a decorative box with functional features, it's a thoughtful, timeless present for any occasion, especially housewarming and Christmas. Design a beautiful cheese platter with its unique three-sided large board. Complete with all necessary accessories, it allows you to create stunning and delectable displays for any event. Made from premium bamboo, this set is exceptionally durable and easy to maintain. It boasts natural water resistance, unique grain patterns, and resists scratches and dents, ensuring long-lasting beauty and functionality. What we like. This large bamboo board set is perfect for impressing your guests. It comes with a complete array of accessories, simplifying your entertaining efforts. If you love hosting gatherings or are searching for a thoughtful housewarming or wedding gift, this versatile set is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Guarana Antarctica Brazilian Original Soda. Discover Guarana Antarctica, the authentic taste of Brazil. It brings a unique and refreshing experience straight to you. This is the original Brazilian Guarana soda. It's a beloved beverage, cherished for its distinctive flavor. Enjoy this delightful Guarana soda. It offers a crisp and invigorating sensation with every sip. Each pack contains 12 11.83 fluid ounces cans. It's perfect for sharing or keeping your fridge stocked. Experience the vibrant and exotic flavors. It's more than just a drink, it's a taste of Brazilian culture. What we like. This is the original Brazilian Guarana soda, offering a truly unique taste experience. Its distinct flavor is both sweet and slightly tart, making it incredibly refreshing. If you want to try an authentic taste of Brazil or are looking for a new, invigorating soft drink, this is a must-try. What people say. Number 2. LUCKYGOOBO 24-ounce Cocktail Shaker Kit. Want to elevate your home bar experience? This drink shaker set is perfect for impressing friends and family with your mixology skills. It's the ultimate tool for creating unforgettable drinks, whether you're a pro or a beginner. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a mirror finish, this shaker is built to last. We guarantee it won't rust or leak, ensuring years of reliable use at your bar. Its compact design also makes it easy to store. Whether you're hosting spectacular parties at home or using it for your business, this bar set delivers. It's professional food grade and dishwasher safe, making it incredibly convenient. You can create a variety of interesting drinks with it. This durable and versatile mixer kit is perfect for making ice-cold cocktail recipes. From margaritas to cosmopolitans, it handles them all with ease. You'll bring endless surprises to your guests with delicious beverages. Ready to start making great-tasting cocktails at home? Your order is backed by a full money-back guarantee. If you have any issues, simply let us know, and we'll provide professional service and satisfactory solutions. What we like. This cocktail shaker boasts superior quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and no leaks. Its built-in strainer makes crafting drinks effortless for both beginners and pros. If you want to easily impress friends with delicious homemade cocktails, this professional-grade tool is perfect. What people say. Number 1. 12-piece cocktail shaker set with bamboo stand. This comprehensive 12-piece kit provides all the essential tools you need. It empowers you to craft delicious cocktails with ease, transforming any setting into a professional bar experience. Its unique semicircular bamboo stand keeps your bar area tidy and stylish. No more cluttered drawers, all accessories are beautifully displayed and easily accessible. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are finely polished to prevent rust and ensure durability. They are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. This set includes everything a bartender needs, from a 25-ounce shaker and double jigger to strainers, pourers, and a recipe booklet. It's truly a complete solution for all your mixing needs. With this professional kit, you can mix a wide variety of spirits and create countless cocktails. From classic margaritas to refreshing mojitos, it handles any drink you desire. Featuring a smooth mirror finish and a distinctive bamboo stand, it makes an excellent present. It's an ideal choice for anyone who loves mixing drinks, perfect for holidays or special occasions. What we like. This comprehensive 12-piece kit provides all the essential tools for any aspiring bartender. It features a stylish bamboo stand for organized display and easy access. If you are looking for a complete bar setup for home or a fantastic gift for a cocktail enthusiast, this all-in-one set is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.